to my channel Home Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make crispy chicken burger. Let's get started. Let's start with the crispy chicken first. Well, I have 2 chicken breast fillet which I'm going to slice in half. While frying, I don't want my chicken to be thick, so as shown in the video, cover the chicken piece with the plastic wrap and smash it. Now it's time to marinate the chicken. Take a bowl and pour 1 glass of milk. Crack 1 egg. Add garlic powder, black pepper, paprika powder, some salt, some mixed herbs, and mix it well. Now dip all the chicken pieces in the egg mixture and gently mix everything together. After that, cover the chicken with a plastic wrap and let it rest for an hour. Meanwhile, I'll prepare flour for the chicken. Take a half boil of plain flour, quarter boil of corn flour, black pepper, some salt, paprika powder, and garlic powder. To make your chicken crispy, add some cornflakes crumbs and mix it well. Here is the chicken which has been marinated properly. Let's uncover and coat the chicken pieces with the flour mixer. And by the way, do not forget to pat and press while coating the flour. Shake off the excessive flour from the chicken. Start dipping in the egg mixture for a few seconds. Then coat with the flour mixture again. Be careful while placing the chicken in the deep fryer and fry on a medium flame until golden brown. As you can see, our chicken is perfectly cooked, looks amazing, and is ready to go in a burger. Time to cut some vegetables like tomato, red onion, cucumber, and lettuce. I always prefer to have some salad in my burger, so quickly I'll show you how to make it. For that, I need some thinly sliced lettuce, carrot, mayonnaise, paprika powder, garlic powder, some grated garlic, and some black pepper. Mix everything together and it's ready. Let's make some burger sauce. Take a bowl, squeeze some mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, tomato sauce, add paprika powder, some garlic powder, and black pepper. Mix everything well and it's ready. Take a burger buns, slice in half, lightly coat the butter in the cut sides, then make a nice toast. Spread the burger sauce over toasted bun and layer the burger with lettuce, crispy chicken, cheese, and sliced vegetables. Now your delicious crispy chicken burger is ready. Enjoy it! So that's all for today. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Home Kitchen. See you next week.